Hi there folks, Gareth here from Mobile Tech Addicts, tracyamat.co.uk and of course unboxings.com, and I have this from Inateck. It's a rather interesting package design, to be honest. And what this is this is a simple, cheap, £24, £23.99 peripheral that will certainly help out most executives on the run. And it's in white. I had hoped it would come in black, but it's in white. So, as you guessed, it's a Bluetooth keyboard. For £24, it's a nice quality Bluetooth keyboard at a budget price. Okay, so in here we get an instruction manual. We also get a long cardboard sleeve with a USB connector and a micro USB connector. Very handy indeed, especially for charging. So this is the keyboard. Now this keyboard is compatible with almost all Android devices, the Microsoft Surface and Surface Pro, Samsung Galaxy tablets, Samsung Galaxy phones if you want to use it on those. It doesn't mention Apple products, so I'm not going to go and say that this is compatible with Apple products. Probably has a different type of Bluetooth inside, but it has a built-in lithium battery in here that's good for up to 4 months, which is pretty impressive. And I wanted to have a quick look around this device because £25 doesn't get you very much whenever it comes to technology, but for this device it looks like it actually delivers. It's a very stylish design. It's lovely looking. It's got the little chiclet keys as well. So let's have a quick gander around. At the side here we've got virtually nothing. There's just obviously the bowing here, which is the battery inside it. Then on the back we have stainless steel with a brushed effect on it, bit fingerprinty there obviously, but little rubber feet, 4 of, you'll be pleased to know, and they don't come off quite so easily. We've seen that in the past where they have actually come off in the box during shipping. On-off switch just here. Actually this is really nice, the underside of this. I do wish they carried it around onto the front. So white plastic along here, fairly decent quality plastic. There's a light up here. This end we have the USB power source for charging and a little light. If we turn this on, there is some power in it, so that light's come on, and this light has come on as well. Turn it off because I'm going to do the pairing in a second. Right, so here across the keyboard we have a bunch of functions that must be Android or Microsoft compatible. We've got a home button, which obviously works with the function button at the bottom here. The blue function will go for the blue functions, and then control maybe will go with the dark functions. Well, let's have a look in the instruction manual and see. No idea, doesn't actually say, but I'm sure playing around with it you'll be able to work it out, because now I'm looking at these, there's actually only 2 functions per key, so that's likely going to be the home button and nothing else until you hit the function button, and then it turns into an escape key. So we get F1, F2, F3, F4 all the way along there, but we have a search, and it says all, copy, paste maybe, cut, and music functions along here with volume, pause, break, print screen, system requirement, delete, and backspace. That looks like a very standard keyboard all up here, obviously with British keyboard bindings. Hash down here, and a Bluetooth button there that I'm guessing is for connecting. Control, function, Windows key, Alt, spacebar, Alt, and a D-pad as well for navigating around. Okay, so we're going to have a go and see if we can actually set this up, because there is charge in it, with a Bluetooth device. Of course, it's worth mentioning this comes in black as well, which is my major disappointment. Right, so I'm going to chuck that in there. That's the Galaxy Tab S 8.4. We'll turn this on, and we've got Bluetooth turned on the tablet. We press the function and C button, and that's flashed. The indicator will blink. The indicator is not blinking. Okay, it's blinking now. It's picked up a device. I'm hoping that it's the keyboard and not my watch or something like that. There we go. Okay, it's pairing. Connected to input device. So I'm going to hit the home button, and it's taken us home. So if I tap on the Google search bar, search for Tracy and Dick Tracy, Matt, hit enter, and it worked. Albeit the web is a little bit slow, perhaps. Can't load search result. Okay, maybe that's more down to my actual Wi-Fi in this building. Alright, let's hit that window button and see what it does. Nothing. Hit the home button. Takes us home. Volume. Up and down. Hit the play pause. Does it bring up a music player? Nope. Do I have a music player? Have a quick see if this works. Play. Okay, the volume does work, but okay, well, that seems to work okay. And it'll make the Rude Warrior very happy, because they'll be able to take this with them. It's exceptionally light. It really is very, very light. The tablet is heavier than the keyboard. Well, which you would expect, I suppose, because there's very little in the keyboard. And it has to be this size to be able to pack in an entire keyboard. You know, that's an 8.4-inch tablet there, which is quite small. That's quite large, I suppose, but it's not off-puttingly large. The keys are of a decent size. I do have quite chubby fingers in comparison to the average person, and yeah, I look forward to using this on the go. Hopefully it'll make me a lot more productive and things like that. I'll be carrying it everywhere with me from here on in. It's just a USB charger, so it's dead easy to charge. No plug in the box, which is a bit of a pain. So yeah, that's the Inateck Bluetooth keyboard. Very, very nice. Thoroughly recommended. Only £23. That's or $23.99. That's very worthwhile. The white goes with, I suppose, with the white tablet. That's quite nice. I hadn't thought about that. But other than that, thanks Inateck, great one. And check back on the site in the future for more unboxings. And remember to tune in for the podcast on a Wednesday night, bi-weekly at 8:30-ish or so. And other than that, take care and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.